Hey guys! Welcome to SyncPost, the ultimate tool that is going to completely change how you manage your social media. Let me show you how it works. First, let's log into the platform. Right away, you'll see a quick prompt to install our Smart Chrome extension. It takes just 3 seconds from the store. This little plugin is the secret sauce that makes all the automation work seamlessly and securely. Once it's installed, it's time to connect your channels. Just click Connect for X, Facebook, Instagram, or Threads. Log into your accounts normally in the new tab. No complicated API keys needed. Once you're connected, just flip these switches to turn on simultaneous publishing. Now for the fun part. Let's draft a quick post, add an awesome image, and hit Publish. Watch the magic happen. Our extension acts like your personal assistant, posting directly to all your selected platforms in the background. Done. Let's click Open Channel to check the results. Boom, there it is on X, perfectly formatted on Instagram, live on Facebook, and popping on Threads. It is that simple. Grow your audience and get your time back with SyncPost today.